How to find your FPL team ID. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we're going to talk about finding your Fantasy Premier League team ID. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and open your web browser and then search for fantasy.premierleague.com. Log into your specific account, and now in the menu that appears in the top, tap on Pick Team option, which you will find between points and transfers in the left side of the screen. Once you're there, scroll down and tap on Transfers. Now tap on Transfer History, or you can also go to Game Week History. Look at the URL in your browser's address bar in the top. You'll see a set of numbers. This number is your FPL team ID. You can now copy this ID and paste or send it wherever you like. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.